came from the dentist. And now, I know I look crazy with my hair. But, finna go get my hair braided and stuff. And, yeah, I'll let y'all see that. What's up? I'm back. I cleaned up very nicely, right? Got my hair braided. Yeah. Because I need it done. It's my real hair. I don't need no weave. Nothing. I got my own hair braided. My hair is very long. Yeah. You feel me? This is all real. This is not fake. I got real long hair. I just got tired of looking crazy because I don't know how to do my hair. You feel me? But, yeah. Because I don't even know how to do my hair. That's why I want to get it braided. Because I was thinking about cutting my hair. But a lot of people tell me, don't cut your hair. Do something. And I'd say, you know what? I just go ahead and get it braided. That been said. But, I'll catch you when I give me something to eat. Because I ain't haven't eaten all day. And then I'm going to buy me another cross necklace. You feel me? But I'll talk to you later. I got some marks. Oh, that's dope. Dope. See that Muffler delete? Yeah. You see that cold start? Stay tuned to my channel. I told you, 2021. Only thing we're gonna do is going to the top. You know, just like, comment, subscribe to new videos. Turn on your post notifications. And before I let y'all go, thank you for watching. Whoever stayed tuned to my video, just hit the thumbs up on the way out. And do me a favor. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay positive, stay motivated, keep guiding your life, stay blessed, and I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.